The next topic which we are going to see is about mutual induction between the two coils. So let us consider the two coils which is having the same length. So that two coils should have the same length. The length of these solenoids is large when compared to the radii. So we are just considering the coil such that the length is large while you compare it with the radii. Clear? Next, let A1 and A2 be the cross-sectional areas such that A1 is greater than A2. Okay, and the turn densities we are writing it as N1 and N2. So considering the areas to be A1 and A2 and the turn densities to be N1 and N2, we are finding out the mutual induction. So these are the two coils. So these two coils have the same length. Okay, so this is the length of the two coils, but when you see the radius of these two coils, the coil 1 has a greater radius than the coil 2. Clear with this? So considering with this two coils which has the turns N1 and N2, we are writing the equation for B1. This is the equation which we know already. B1 is equal to mu naught N1 into I1. Okay, B1 is equal to mu naught N1 I1. So what is the equation for phi is? Phi is equal to integral of b dot dA. Now, when you remove this dot, we are writing this as b into a. So, we are writing this as b1 into a2. Since theta is equal to 0, dot product will also always get with a cos theta. Okay, so cos 0 which is equal to 1. So, we are writing as b1 into a2. Okay, now what is the value of b1 is? Just now we saw that b1 is equal to mu naught n1 into I1 into a2 as it is. Okay, so mu naught n1 I1 into a2. So this gives the value of phi. Okay, which is a flux. So we have found out with the value of phi, but what we have to find is we have to find the value of m. Okay, for finding with that, just write the value of total flux, okay, or the flux linkage is given by what? N2 into phi to 1. What is the value of N2 is? N2 is given by small n2 into L. So we are writing that value here, and also phi of 21. So what is the value of phi of 21 is mu naught n1 I1 into a2. Okay, now so multiplying this just as it is, mu naught n1 n2 a2 into L into I1. Okay, now this is the equation which we know already from the mutual induction, which is N2 into phi 21 is equal to what? M21 into I1. Now comparing with these two equations. Okay, so when you compare, what do you get? What is in the LHS? LHS we have the same term, which is N2 into phi 21, is it not? So we can compare with these two terms which is in the RHS. So we are getting the equation is M21 is equal to M21 into I1. So both the sides I gets cancelled. So we get M21 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A2 into L. So this is a very important equation which you have to know. M21 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A2 into L. Okay, this is the equation which we have seen for M of 21. So mutual induction by the coil 1 on the coil 2 is not same way. We are going to see for the next one, that is B2. Okay, so we are just going to compare whether both the mutual inductions are same. So B2, the formula is given by mu naught N2 into I2. So first இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம பார்த்த formula என்னது? B1, that is given by what? B1 is equal to mu naught N1 into I1, is it not? So this is the equation for B1. Now we are getting the equation for B2, which is equal to mu naught N2 into I2. Now to remove this dot product, we are writing a cos value is 1, and so we are writing as B2 into A2. Now substitute the value of B2 here, so we are getting this as mu naught N2 I2 into A2. Okay, so what is the next thing we do is we'll be finding with the value of the total flux. Total flux is equal to what? The number of turns into this. So N1 into phi of 1 2. So what is the value of N1 here is N1 into L. So substituting this here, so we are getting the equation as mu naught N1 N2 A2 L into I2. Comparing this with the mutual induction, we are getting the equation M12 into I2, which is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A2 L into I2. Now both the sides cancel the value of I2. So we get m of 1 2 is equal to mu naught n1 n2 a2 into L. So comparing this with the equation which we got already, we can say that m of 1 2 m21 they are both equal. Okay, so they have the same value. Okay, so this is about the mutual induction between the two long solenoids. We are writing this equation as it is. Instead of this mu naught, if we have the dielectric medium of permeability mu r, then instead of this mu naught, generally we can write it as mu, then that mu is equal to mu naught into mu r. Okay, so this gives the equation for the mutual induction. Clear?